Hi, welcome back, Yellow Six. Hope you had a restful week. I'd like to go ahead and introduce our Quarter 2 Social Studies Portfolio 1 on Ancient Egypt. Now, this Portfolio 1 is going to be due on October 21st, 2020. That's the last day to receive points for any of the assignments on this portfolio. And the actual date that the portfolio is due, that your teacher's doing all the calculations and inputting it on Infinite Campus, is October 23rd. Okay? So the learning target for this quarter is to describe the development of agriculture in the Tigris, Euphrates, and the Nile River valleys. Now, this portfolio is broken up into 3 categories. In the first category, it'll consist of the Ancient Egypt assignments, and there's 4 assignments under that. You have the Ancient Egypt worksheets, you have the Ancient Egypt Land of Abundance circle map, you have Mesopotamia and Ancient Egypt comparison chart, and you have the Ancient Egypt study guide. So those 4 assignments will be counted under the Ancient Egypt assignment, which is worth 4 points. Then the next 4 points is going to be on your formative, your Ancient Egypt formative. And the last 4 points is going to be on your Ancient Egypt summative. Okay, so those are the 3 categories in how you will earn your Social Studies Portfolio 1 grade. Now, as I mentioned earlier, if you wanted to make corrections, like on your Ancient Egypt assignments or even the formative, you must make the corrections and turn it in by October 21st. Okay, because that's the last day to receive points for assignments. Okay, so these are the 3 categories, and this is your first portfolio for Social Studies on Ancient Egypt that's due on October 21st. Okay, the next thing I want to discuss with you is to go over the Social Studies composition book. Now, in our Social Studies composition book, we had taken notes like what we did in Mesopotamia. We took notes on rivers, weather and flooding, irrigation and farming, and natural defenses. So we're going to do the same thing when we study Ancient Egypt. However, because we did not have that opportunity to do a packet pickup where you can pick up additional papers to go ahead and glue in, what I'm going to ask you to do is you're going to follow the same format as we did with Mesopotamia. Where the flaps would be, you are just going to label it. And then we will provide you notes that you can write under that label. So the first label you'll have is rivers. And then in the middle of your page, put down weather and flooding. Okay, then on the following page, put irrigation/farming. And then in the middle of that second page, put natural defenses. Okay, so you'll just write the heading for each. And then when it's time to take notes, you'll write the notes right under the heading. Okay, if we can do that, that'll be great. Okay, thanks.